Hello, this is Chris from Paletech, and on this video we are going to learn how to add a countdown clock to our site using the Elementor page builder and the plugin Elementor Essential Add-ons. First, we need to go to the plugins and then we are going to click on Add New. And on the search bar we are going to type Elementor Add-ons. And we are going to select the essential add-ons for Elementor and we are going to click on install. In this case we have already installed the plugin. For your case you have to click on install and then activate the plugin. This plugin will add some new widgets which are pretty interesting. Among them is the countdown clock for the page builder. So once we have installed the plugin, we are going to go to pages, all the pages, and then we are going to select the page where we want to add the clock. In this case we are going to use the home page and then we are going to click on edit with Elementor and we are going to scroll down until we found a free section. Now on the search bar of the widget we are going to type countdown and we are going to add the essential add-ons countdown clock. We are going to click on hold and then we are going to release it on the section. As you can see, it has shown up. We can select here the date where we want our clock to expire. We can select 2 days on the future and select the desired hour. In this case we are going to leave it in 2 days and then we can select the position if it's an inline and we can space it a little bit. If we want, we are going to leave it as a block for the example. So we can select a few styles. Some come with transparent background, so we are going to choose the first style and we can disable some of the parts of the clock like this, and if we want we can change the labels if we want it to be on a different language for our site, and we can display the separators of the days, hours, minutes and seconds. And then we are going to select the color of the separator. We are going to use a green and we can modify the typography. In this case we are going to use a normal style because in italic it's a little bit curved and it doesn't look that good to me, so we are going to leave it like that. So when it expires this timer we can select to show a message. In this case it will say the countdown is finished and we can type a message. We are going to type countdown finish. So we are going to the style tab and here we can change the color of the box on the background and we can change the space between the boxes, the space between the containers if we want. We can add padding, borders, radius, box shadow, and the color and typography of the countdown digits. We're going to choose a white and we are going to make it less italic, more normal like that. And we can also change the family, the size of the fonts We're going to leave it empty for a default. The weight, we can transform the text to uppercase and such, and we can make it change the style, and we can add some underline and the things and such. The line height, we're going to leave it empty for default, and the spacing between the letters. So we can change the color of the labels, the days and such. We're going to leave it white, and we can change the typography. In this case, we're going to leave it normal for the so it doesn't have the curvature of the italic. And we can change the color of any individual box if we want, and for the digit, the label and the color of the border of each box separately, which is quite cool. Because you can do any combination of colors that you want, and it would suit any situation. And we can also modify the expire message. To show the message, the contents must be expired, so we are going to add a pass date, so the content it is finished. And now we are going to edit the message, so we are going to center it, change the color of the letters and typography. We are going to make it normal, and we are going to add some weight to it, and maybe make it a little bit bigger, like so. We can add some margin, and we can change the content to, as you can see, in the same. We are going to add some weight to that, maybe 500, and it looks good. We can add some padding too if we want. Once we have changed, save done all the changes we want to our countdown, we need to save those changes by going to the lower left and clicking on the update button. So that's it. We have added a countdown clock to our website using the Elementor page builder and the essential add-ons for Elementor Pro in an easy, quick, and super customizable manner, and it looks quite good. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might need help on the sites. See you the next time on Paletech.